In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app icon in Figma tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to find a logo using a plugin, bring it into your canvas and customize it so it looks clean and ready to represent your app idea. First, head to the Figma website and sign in. Once you're in, open the page or file where you want to build your icon. Any existing project works, or you can use a new design file. Make sure you're on the canvas so you can see your layers panel on the left and the design properties on the right. Next, go to Actions. This is the quick command area in Figma that helps you find features fast. If you see a search or actions field at the top, click it to open the command palette. From there, choose Plugins. In the plugin search, type Logo Hunter. You should see the Logo Hunter plugin appear in the results. Click the Logo Hunter plugin, then click Run Now. This opens the plugin panel where you can browse a variety of logo options. Take your time here. You want something simple, bold, and recognizable. Those qualities help icons stand out, especially at small sizes. When you find a logo you like, select it. Now click Import Logo. The logo will be placed on your canvas as vector shapes or grouped layers you can edit. This is where the fun begins. Feel free to customize it to match your app's style. To change colors, select the logo or its individual parts and adjust the fill color in the design panel. High contrast tends to work best for app icons, so consider a strong background and a bright foreground or vice versa. If the logo includes text, you can edit it by double-clicking on the text layer and typing your app name or initials. Keep text minimal. Short words or letters are easiest to read. Use the typography controls to tweak font weight, size, and letter spacing until it feels balanced. As you refine, aim for a centered, symmetrical composition. Use the alignment tools at the top to center your logo within its frame. Make sure nothing is too close to the edges. A little breathing room will make the icon look polished. If a color isn't working, try a different hue or adjust saturation and brightness until the logo pops. That's it. You opened Figma, used Actions to find the Logo Hunter plugin, ran it, selected a logo, imported it, and customized the color and text. Save your file, and you're ready to keep iterating or share your design. Thanks for watching and happy designing.